These units are made in China and are only sold through dealers internationally. All of the units have a durable powder coat finish on the outdoor units to keep the units looking good for many years, and they are backed by a very good guarantee. They have refrigerant leak detection and coated coils for corrosion resistance, but only use standard washable filters, which are not as good as many other brands. The brand offers a very good warranty, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure within the warranty period. The DLCERBA units, a part of their Standard Series, are basic 19.8 SEER air conditioners, while the DLCERBH models are heat pumps. Both have inverter compressors and are available in either 115-volt or 208/230-volt systems. They are both very quiet, with indoor noise levels less than a whisper and outdoor levels equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator. The Advantage Series DLCSRB models are premium single-zone heat pumps with a 24.7 Seer efficiency, while the DLCMRB models can serve up to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit and have a 25 Seer efficiency rating. The DLCPRA models, a part of their Max Series, offer ultimate heat pumps with a 40 Seer efficiency rating, but they only have the standard washable filters, which do not effectively help the indoor air quality. They are optimized to provide at least 75% of their heating capacity even when the outdoor temperature is as low as -22 degrees.